Hey guys, welcome back, and this is another video from Tech5. And in this video, we're going to be learning about how Python maps won't help you find your way. And if you guys haven't seen my last video, then go ahead and check that out, which was Python Part 8. This is Python Part 9. And in this video, we're going to be basically covering up the topic how Python maps won't help you find the way. So let's get started. In Python, a map is a collection of things that like list and tulip. The difference between map and list or tulip is that each item in a map has a key and a corresponding value. For example, say we have a list of people and their favorite sports. We could put this information into a Python list with the person's name, followed by the sport, like so. So we're gonna put favorite underscore underscore hold up, and then change the F into small so it doesn't give us an error. And then you're gonna go write sports, sports, sports equals open bracket, and then we're gonna write RALPS, WILIAMS, Williams, football, single quotation mark, comma, hit enter. Now we're gonna write single quotation mark, Michelle, basketball, Michelle to basketball, and then comma, hit enter, and we're gonna write Rebecca, CLAR, 85, netball, netball, hit enter, and we're gonna write add word, ELGL, baseball, comma, enter, we're gonna write BPHEL, SMYPH, Smith, badminton, comma, hit enter, Frank, 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 BRIDGE, bridge, comma, IUG, and then in single quotation mark, close square bracket, and I'm also answer. If I ask you what Rebecca Carl's favorite sport is, you could skim through the list and find the answer is netball. But what if the list includes 100 or 100 many people? Now if we store this name information in a map with the person name as their key and their favorite sport as a value, the Python code would look like this one. FAVORIT, favorite sport, SPORT, sports, equals, and then we're going to put single quotation mark, RALPHREL, WILIAMS, Williams, and then it says single quotation mark again, football, single quotation mark, comma, enter. Now we're going to write Michelle, single quotation mark, MICHECAEL, Michelle TIPPETT, single quotation mark, and put single quotation mark again, basketball, comma, hit enter, and then we write Edward, single quotation mark again, single quotation mark, baseball, single quotation mark, comma, hit enter, single quotation mark, Rebecca, CLAR, single quotation mark, netball, netball, and then we're gonna put single quotation mark again. EPHELSMYPH. And then we put single quotation mark again. Bad name tone. Single quotation mark again. Hit enter. Now we're gonna put Frank. VRIDGE. Single quotation mark. And then single quotation mark. Rouge. HB. And single quotation mark. And now we hit enter. Oh, my bad. Go back. Single quotation mark. And close. And once we hit enter, we use cons to spread each key from its value, and each key and value is surrounded by a single quotation mark. Notice too that the items in the map are enclosed in brackets, not parentheses. A square bracket. The result is a map. The result is a map as in traditional one. All right, let me show you guys another one. Hold it up. All right, now to get Rebecca Carr's favorite sport as we access our map. Favorite sport using her as the key, like so. So now we're gonna use it. So we're gonna write print open parentheses favorite FAVORIT favorite underscore sports, and then now we're gonna put open square bracket Rebecca CLARKE Clark, single quotation mark, close square bracket, and close please. Now we hit enter, it says netball. And the answer is netball. To delete a value in the map, use the key, for example, to remove Ethel Clark. So we're going to write DELs if you want to remove FAVORIT, favorite sport underscore favorite SPORTS sports. Now we're going to write EPHEL SMYPH. And then now once we hit enter, print FAVORIT favorite SPORTS sports. And now once we hit enter, it's going to show us every single one of them except for Ethel Smith. To replace a value in a map, we also use this key. So now we're going to use favorite underscore sports Ralph 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 WILLIAMS Williams, and then now we're going to ice hockey. Ice HOCKEY ice hockey. And once we hit enter, it should say print favorite FAVORIT favorite SPORT sports. Once we hit enter, it's going to change Ralph Williams' favorite sport. It says ice hockey now. So we replaced favorite sport football with ice hockey by using the key Ralph Williams. As you can see, working with the map is kind of like working with list and tulips, except that you can't join maps with the plus operator. If you try to do that, you'll get an error message. So let's do FAVORIT favorite underscore SPOR sports SPORT sports equals Rebecca almost forgot that Rebecca Rebecca CLARKE Clark, and then we put that, and then we're gonna remove that for now. Put that for now right there, and then question mark, netball, and then we put Michelle, Michael, Tippett, and put basketball, BASKET, basketball, basketball, and then comma, enter, RALPH for Ralph, WILLIAMS, and then we put comma, ice, HOCKEYA, ice hockey, comma, hit enter, Edward, Alger, comma, baseball, and then FRANK, Frank, BRIDGE, and then we put exclamation mark again, Ridge by, and then we put question mark, and we put that, and we put that right there, and we hit enter, and then we write FAVORIT, favorite, COLOR, colors equals, and then we put exclamation mark, Mara Coleman, Warner, exclamation mark again, PINK, polka dots, I'm gonna hit enter, and then right here we write James, B, hold up, let's put James, capital, BAS, Baster, and then we put orange, 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 STRIPES, stripes, enter, now we write SUE, Sweetly, and then another one, and then PURPLE, purple, PAPISLEY, and then we close, yep, right there, and then once we hit enter, we're going to write FAVORIT, favorite, SPORT, sports, plus favorite, FAVORIT, favorite, COLORS, colors. And now once we hit enter, it's going to give us an error. Joining map doesn't make sense to Python, so it just throws up its hand. So there we go, guys. I hope you guys liked today's video. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future videos. And if you guys haven't seen my last video I made, it's called Deepin. So make sure to go ahead and check that out as well. Have a great day. Bye bye.